Yeah, everyone. I'm Foxy the Pirate Fox. And I'm Toy Bunny. Today we are reaction to Toy Chica and the Mangle star Growling. This will be strange. The last time maybe Candy reacts to her sisters. But now it's time for our wives. Oh no, not Toy Chica. Let's get started, shall we? Whoa! There's my wife, Toy Chica, and there's mine, Mangle. Oh, here we go. Why we need to start with Toy Chica? Alright, I don't know. Yeah, that's right, Mangle. She needs to eat something now. Oh, I see Golden Freddy over there. Yeah, I see him too. What a minute, I see it's a big problem, Toy Chica. What on earth? What? That's not good. Okay. That's... Oh, not that Mango. Please, no. Here we go. Oh, here we go. First, my wife Toy Chica. No, my wife Mango. Okay, that's strange. Toy Chica's one is more stranger than Mangle. We was Toy Bunny and Foxy. Yeah, finally, it's done. Oh, finally, I gotta go. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, Nope. Fuck this Fuck this shit, I'm out. Alright. Okay, Toy Bunny has to go. So bye-bye.